up guys, Caroline here. Welcome back to my channel. Karibuni. If you're new, if you're old, welcome. I appreciate all of you. In today's video, we're going to be doing something a little different. As you can see, I'm in a protective styling, so there will be no hair business. Okay, so I'm going to attempt and say sentences in 3 different languages. It's Kikuyu, Swahili, and Sepedi. Kikuyu is my mother tongue. I left Kenya a long time ago, and to be honest, I don't remember much, but I can speak slightly. And then there's Swahili, which I feel more comfortable with, but doesn't mean I am that good. And then there's Sepedi. I remember from high school, people used to tell me, "Hey, Caroline, so speak Sepedi," but I was shy, okay? And I'm still shy. I don't even know why I'm doing this video, because okay, it's a video, so there's no one in front of me. I guess that's why I'm doing it, so you can't judge. Okay, so let's get into it. I am going to do this in what order exactly? English, and then translate it to Swahili, then Kikuyu, and then followed by Sepedi. Okay, so I'm gonna start with greetings. If you want to greet someone the same age as you or someone younger, you can just say saseni, sasa for one, saseni for many. So if like it's just your friends, you can just say saseni or sasa if it's just one friend. If you're greeting someone older, you can say habari yako, okay? And then in Kikuyu, if you want to greet someone, you can say ohoro waku. That's for both. Actually, it's younger, older, ohoro waku, or morega. Morega is, are you guys good? Which is also a greeting. In Sepedi is tawela if you're speaking to someone older. So being respectful, you'd be like tawela. That's the only one I go for all the flipping time, all the time. Whether you're younger than me, whether you're older than me, I will say tawela to the smallest child. I don't know why, but it's like, it's just there. Okay, so it's the first thing that comes out. So I'm just like tawela. And if a younger person says that to me, I should get confused, and I'm like, but that's the one I usually go for. So just to be safe, stick to tawela or dumelang. Yeah, those will do. You'll be good. Okay, so the next one is something that usually people ask me a lot, and they're like, "Caroline, you speak Swahili? Oh my god, how do you say I love you?" And I'm like, nakupenda. And if you want to say it in Kikuyu, is negwedete. In Sepedi is kiakurata. Okay, guys, because you know I love you guys. I love y'all. I love you. Whoever's watching this, kiakurata, I love you. Nakupenda, negwedete. Alright, next one. Say you're stranded somewhere and you need help. So basically, if you want to say I need help in Swahili, you would say nataka unisaidie or nataka usaidizi. So the only difference I see in those is nataka usaidizi means I need help, okay? It doesn't matter where it's coming from. I just need help. Nataka unisaidia means I want you to help me. So can you help me? Can you like help me out? Either him or he will find, or her, and that person will go and at least help you. It's the same thing basically. If the person you're talking to can help you, then they will help you. If they can't, they will get help for you. So that's that. In Kikuyu, dereda odeidie. Dereda odeidie. So I want you to help me. In Sepedi is kenyakatusho. Yeah, kenyakatusho. And that's that. Next sentence is you're beautiful. Okay. So if you want to say this in Swahili, you tell someone, preferably me. I'm kidding. So if you want to tell someone they're beautiful in Swahili, you can say we ni mrembo. na uko mrembo sana. So it's like you're very beautiful. When you're mrembo, you're beautiful. If you want to say it in Kikuyu, you can say we mutaka muno. You're very beautiful. So if you just want to say we mutaka, you're just beautiful. You're beautiful, whether very beautiful or not, doesn't matter. You're beautiful. We mutaka. In Sepedi is obotsana. So that's that. Okay, say you want to go to the hospital. You can say, please take me to the hospital. This is tips in case you're in Kenya and you don't know what to say, or you're in South Africa and you don't know what to say. I'm trying to help you guys here. If you need to go to the hospital and you need someone, you need, faster. Okay. So you just say, in Swahili, you say, well, if it's take me to the hospital, then you would say nipeleke hospitali. Ama if you say you want to go to the hospital, then you say nitaka kwenda hospitali. All right. And then in Kikuyu, you would say dwara tifitari. Okay. So it's just take me to the hospital. In Sepedi is kishe spetlele. You guys are hearing me speak Sepedi, so yeah. Because I remember there was this time I was actually giving an unprepared speech in Sepedi. And then luckily our teacher she would send us outside, and then you prepare your speech for like 5 minutes, and then that's when she would call you in, or when it's your turn, or if you go out with a group, then yeah, you go in as she calls you guys. Okay, so this day I went, I think we're not the last bunch. I remember that day she picked me first, I think, or somewhere in the middle, I don't know, but usually she picked me with the last bunch. I would always do my speeches last because obviously I didn't know Sepedi that well, so still don't know Sepedi that well, but she would give me time to process, so I would always be on the last groups. But this time I think she called me on the first groups. I don't quite remember, but so we were outside and I was like preparing my speech. People were busy doing their speeches and everything, and I was like, I don't know how to say hospital in Sepedi. So I found someone. Usually I always had friends who would help me out. Shout out to you, Gift. Usually you helped me a lot with my Sepedi speeches and essays and all. Thanks, girl. So this time I think I was outside with a bunch, whatever group was outside, and I was like, guys, how do you say hospital in Sepedi? And then they told me, and then I wrote it down. And then during the speech, I don't know what happened, things happen, okay? You panicking, anxiety, and all that just coming up together, and so I was giving the speech. I don't know what the speech was about. All I know is that there was a hospital, and then instead of saying hospital, I said prison. And I was like, okay, I didn't know at the time. But after the speech, that's when I realized. Luckily, I don't know, they didn't laugh at me, but you could totally tell this person was supposed to go to the hospital but ended up in prison or something. I don't know, but it sucked. Okay, it was terrible because once I realized I made the mistake, I was like, oh dear Lord, what they must be thinking about me. But y'all's knew I don't know Sepedi, so thank you for not laughing in class, and yeah. Anyways, so take me to the hospital in Kisha. If someone sees you drinking something and you want to say I'm drinking water, you'd be like, in English, I'm drinking water, obviously, and then in Swahili you say nakunywa maji. In Kikuyu, you would say, diranywa mai. So if someone just comes up to you and is like, oranywa ke? Be like, diranywa mai. And then continue drinking your water. Whether it's water. Or water. Alright guys, so in Sepedi you would say kinwa metsi. So if you're drinking water, someone comes up to you, is like, what you drinking? You'd be like, kinwa metsi. The other sentence is go get dressed. So you, your family, or your siblings out there just not getting dressed and you want to say it in Swahili, you can say endova nguo. So basically go get dressed or go put on some clothes. Endova nguo. In Kikuyu you would say wekere nguo. And then in Sepedi you would say tsama wapara diaparo or tsama wapara. Diaparo is just when you put clothes in it. Tsama wapara just means go get dressed. And that's the sentence I was, saying in the beginning in English. So tsama wapara. That's it. And then the last one is I want my money. So if you want to tell someone I want my money in Swahili, you would say nipe pesa yangu. I want my money. Nipe pesa yangu. Pesa yangu. Nipe pesa yangu. Hey, pesa yangu. In Kikuyu you'd say negera bia shakwa. Negere bia shakwa. Negere bia shakwa. So that's in Kikuyu. And then in Sepedi you would be like when you want your money, you want your money. Okay? There's no games here. That's up sangu. And that's it from me, guys. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And share the video. You can't enjoy this video by yourself. I always enjoy video ukwa peke yako. Alright? So share the video. And yeah, that's it from me, guys. Bye.